Let's discuss about replacing negative routine. So there may be some routines in your day-to-day schedule that are not good for you. They're negative. They're hampering with your study or maybe with your sleep or maybe with your health. Like every day, some of you in the summertime, after getting out from school or college, will get habituated with drinking cold drinks, maybe Coke or Pepsi or Sprite or 7 Up or anything can that be, but carbonated water, carbonated sodas. They're refreshing for you. Like, but for 1 or 2 days a week, maybe it's fine. But getting or consuming it in daily basis, it's not okay. So that is hampering with your health. That is a negative habit or negative routine. Or maybe waking up, sleeping really late due to watching matches in regular basis, or maybe TV series or something like that, or movies. Some of you have anime addictions, maybe, possibly. So watching 1 or 2 episodes are fine depending upon how long that episode is. But doing it every single day and delaying your sleep, that is not okay. So you have to find something in between, that how much it is hampering with your sleep, with your health, or with your study. If it is eating up your other times, if it is eating your sleep times, you have to cut off some of it. Like if you are watching for half an hour, 40 minutes, maybe okay if it is your schedule allowing it. If up to 30 minutes, I think it's fine. But after that, maybe it's just getting longer. So you have to compromise your negative routine. So you have to identify the cue that is triggering them. And then you have to replace the routine with the positive action that leads to a similar reward. So how you will do it? So maybe what you can do whenever you are watching this, or whenever, but on which particular time you're drinking the coke, in everyday cases. So you can literally try to make a negative. You have to find the negative cue and remove it for it, so that you don't do that, or you can reduce it. You have to remind it in your brain, or maybe an alarm clock, or maybe a friend, or maybe your parents. Try talk around with people so that you can like replace it. So in this way, gradually phase out the negative routine by reinforcing positive one.